Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make easy knife painting for beginners. So in this video you will be able to learn how to use knife and how to make texture paste for knife painting. So let's get started. So firstly we will do the base colorings so that we can do our scribbling technique easily. So here we will apply 3 colors: blue, yellow and red for the background. Now we will color the lady with a desired color. Here I am using crimson red acrylic color. You can also use any other color. And if you are new at my channel, then please consider subscribing. If you want any of the materials, then all the materials are linked in the description box. You can check it from there. And now let this base colors dry. Now mix talcum powder, water and Fevicol with a palette knife or butter knife or any artificial knife. And after that, mix acrylic colors which you want in that paste. And now simply apply it in the background as we do with a brush. And this technique is a scribbling technique. And by the same way, you have to take all the darker shades and apply it in the whole painting. And then let it dry completely. And now we will do the outlining. So for the outlinings, take any darker shade and then outline it with the help of a 0 number round brush. Make sure to take a darker shade so that it is easily visible. And then outline the whole lady. Please visit my website linked in the description box. And now it's ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.